Welcome to this video manual on installing Windows 11 using VirtualBox, created for NEUST MGT students under the course ITSA01, Systems Administration and Maintenance. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the complete process of setting up a virtual machine and installing Windows 11 in a VirtualBox environment. You'll learn how to configure system settings, allocate resources, and ensure compatibility with Windows 11 requirements, all within a safe and controlled virtual workspace. This hands-on tutorial is designed to help you practice operating system installation without affecting your primary computer, making it ideal for learning, testing, and system administration exercises. Let's get started and explore how virtualization can help you build your IT skills with confidence. Before we begin installing Windows 11, we first need to download and install Oracle VirtualBox, a free open-source virtualization tool that allows you to run virtual machines on your PC. To get started, open your web browser and go to www.virtualbox.org. Once on the website, click on the Downloads link from the left menu. Choose the correct installer for your operating system, for example, Windows Hosts if you're using a Windows machine. After the download is complete, we'll proceed with installing VirtualBox and setting it up for our Windows 11 virtual environment. Let's begin. Double-click the installer executable or .exe file to start the installation process. Click Next on the VirtualBox setup wizard. Accept the license agreement and click Next. Choose the components you want to install. Typically, you can leave the default settings and click Next. Select additional tasks if desired. Example, creating shortcuts, and click Next. Click Install to begin the installation process. Complete the installation. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to exit the setup wizard. Installing Windows 11 on VirtualBox. Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to install Windows 11 using Oracle VirtualBox. Whether you're a student, an IT professional, or just experimenting, this guide will walk you through the complete process. Before we begin, make sure you have the following: Oracle VirtualBox. This module uses VirtualBox version 6.1 as it is currently the most stable version for the installation process. A Windows 11 ISO file. At least 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of free disk space. A 64-bit processor with virtualization enabled. Creating the virtual machine. Open VirtualBox. Click on New to create a new virtual machine. Name your VM, for example, Windows 11. Choose the location of the machine folder. In this scenario, I will choose Drive D. Under VM folder, choose Microsoft Windows as the type, and select Windows 11 64-bit as the version. In configuring RAM and storage, assign at least 4 GB of RAM, though 8 GB is recommended. Click Create a virtual hard disk now. Click Create. Next, leave the file location to its default. Assign at least 80 GB of hard disk file size, though 150 GB is recommended. Choose VMDK or Virtual Machine Disk. In storage on physical hard disk, click Dynamically Allocated. Click Create. Before starting the VM, let's tweak a few important settings. Under Settings, choose Storage. Click Empty. Under Attributes, click Optical Disk icon. Choose a disk file. Locate the path of the Windows 11 ISO file. In this example, it is located in Drive F inside VM folder. Click Open. Click Network. Under Enable Network Adapter, choose Internal Network. Click OK. Installing Windows 11 operating system, VirtualBox tutorial. Let's begin by starting our virtual machine. Click the Start button to power it on. It may take a few moments for the virtual machine to boot up, so please be patient. Once the Windows Setup screen appears, you're ready to start the installation process. Keep the default settings: English for language, time, and keyboard input. Then click Next. If prompted for a product key, you can click I don't have a product key to continue with the installation. Next, choose your preferred Windows 11 edition. Then click Next. Check the box to accept the Microsoft software license terms. Then click Next. Choose Custom. Install Windows Only, Advanced, to perform a clean installation. In this example, we'll guide you through the steps to create partitions during the Windows 11 installation. Creating partitions allows you to divide your hard drive into separate sections. This helps you organize files and manage storage more efficiently. In this setup, we'll create one 70 GB partition for the Windows operating system and another 10 GB partition for storage or future use. Let's get started. Select the unallocated space, then click the New button. Type 71680 MB for a 70 GB partition. Then click Apply. Windows will automatically create additional system-reserved partitions needed for boot and recovery. Click OK to confirm. Now select the remaining unallocated space and click New again. Type 1239 MB for a 10 GB partition. Then click Apply. If any of the partitions aren't formatted, select them and click Format before proceeding. Now choose the 70 GB partition, usually labelled Primary. Then click Next to begin the Windows installation. Windows will now install on the 70 GB partition. This may take several minutes. Installing Windows includes copying Windows files, getting files ready for installation, installing features, updates, and finishing up. Your virtual machine will restart automatically. Let it reboot and continue the setup process. In this example, we'll create an offline account. This lets us complete the setup without signing in to a Microsoft account or connecting to the internet. It's a simpler and faster option, ideal for demonstration purposes, especially if you're working in a test environment or don't have internet access during installation. To create an offline account, press Shift plus F10. type OOBE/BYPASSNRO and hit enter. Your virtual machine will restart automatically. Let it reboot and continue the setup process again if needed. After reboot, Windows will ask for your region. In this scenario, select Philippines and click Yes. Choose US for keyboard layout. You can skip adding a second keyboard layout by clicking Skip. Choose I don't have internet. Click Continue with limited setup. Enter a name for your device or skip this step depending on your version. Click Next. Set a password and confirm. Click Next once done. Then answer the security questions. Choose privacy settings for your device. Click Next. Then click Accept. Windows will finalize your settings and prepare the desktop. This may take a few minutes. Congratulations! Windows 11 has been successfully installed on your virtual machine. Thank you for watching this module on Windows 11 installation using Oracle VirtualBox. We hope this step-by-step guide has helped you understand the installation process and prepare your virtual environment successfully. Continue exploring the next modules to enhance your skills in system setup and virtualization. Once again, thank you for watching and happy learning!